Okay, you guys, I'm back. So, um, as far as this, I believe this is Nate, what is now Nate. And when I first had the vision, I told you it was a storm and a blimp on the map. Okay, I believe this blimp on the map or blip is that 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 low that's near Florida and Cuba that's going to bring a lot of rain and they're going to have a few days. It's there now, and it has so far for the last few days. It's only had like a 0% chance of forming, but it's going to either go before Nate and bring a lot of rain, and then Nate go up to like Louisiana, or it's going to keep Nate down a little bit. I heard one guy describe it this morning as if Nate's trying to come up and they're battling for the field there in the Gulf. But I'm pretty sure this is that low that is sitting over Florida that's bringing it rain. And it's just, it's nothing. It hasn't, you know, now it's not nothing for the last few days. This vision was on the 29th. And I think those storms are being recognized shortly after. What's today? The 4th, the 5th. So this is that low. But somehow its interaction will determine perhaps what happens to Nate. And not only that, it may just go ahead of Nate and bring rain to whatever area, even just nearby Nate. And I don't know. It's something about these two things. Okay, you guys? I don't even know why I wrote that, but so again, those two storms the Lord showed me. Nate, I didn't see as if it was a big threat. So if it does become a big threat, I didn't perceive it as a big threat. Okay, you guys? This was one that was just having cyclonic formation, and there was an outline of orange around just a center of, just a little activity. I didn't perceive it to be a super major threat. So if it does become a super major threat, we might just want to keep an eye on that. They're doing weather manipulation, okay? But the Lord was drawing my attention to that low that's over Florida or right under Florida and near Cuba. And Nate. I know this is Nate, okay, you guys? I said it before. As for this, you guys, I'm thinking this line kind of looked like, I know I said a smokestack, and I'm going to stick to that, but this line kind of almost looked like the New Madrid fault one day when I saw it in the video. And go over. One more thing, guys. October 3rd, which is a couple days ago, was night. This is my gutter, the black. But I saw this white thing right over my head. It was right underneath my gutter. And this is me standing on the porch. And now I believe that to be Asteroid TC4, which is going to come on October 12th. And it's supposed to be like the closest asteroid. Okay, you guys, I guess we gotta keep an eye on it, see if it brings any debris with it. I told you a couple days ago that I was seeing stars, and we've been having increase. We had a fireball the other day, and I can expect that we have more asteroids, perhaps. Those were tiny. I know they represented like stars, whether they be asteroids or meteorites, or like I said, we just had a fireball. But this one, the vision itself was large. Okay, you guys, and it was kind of close to my head. I'm going to leave Dahboo's video below, and it kind of shows it, just how it's illustrated to be like coming close to the earth. Okay, I saw the video last night. I had the vision on the 3rd. Okay, I'll come back and talk with you later. I'm trying to get some videos made. They probably just be short ones, but I'm trying to get them made. 2 storms, this asteroid, and of course keep an eye on the Madrid. And I think we did have a volcano eruption think, but I'll talk about that later. Okay, you guys?